Good morning, guys. Ito yung the next day after natin magpa-kilay. So, hinay-hinay lang para hindi mabasa yung ating kilay. Kasi nga, di ba, bawal siyang basain for 7 days. Ito yung ginagamit ko from Japan. Yung ano ko, lashes ko talagang ano guys, lian tawag yan, curl na curl. Kung makikita niyo. Stop, hindi ko makalimutan na. Nilagyan ko yung mata. Pahirapan. Lagyan ko yung mata ko. Hapde. Pisil-pisil lang. Okay na yan. Si Saksha kasi yung nakaligo na. Ako, maya-maya, maligo ako katawan. Kasi binasa ko na yung buhok ko. Bukas ko nabasa yung buhok ko. Oh, wow!
That's what I'm gonna wear.
Huh?
This is what I'm gonna wear.
Is that it? Is that... No, you have to wear your leggings, Baba. Not that one. The sock leggings. You still have sock leggings. I'll get it in a minute.
Yeah.
Not that one.
Take these off.
No, take it that.
Zip this way, please.
Ayan siya. Ayan siya. Nag-dress na siya. Kasi aalis kami mamaya.
I was gonna wear dresses every day.
You want every day?
Yeah.
Okay. Mamaya pakita ko sa inyo. Okay. Tapusin natin yung ating morning routine after ng kilay. So yan. Then, gagamit ulit tayo. Kinolix.
Downstairs.
Yeah, pwede sa downstairs.
Why is the door open?
Arlie still asleep.
And I was away.
Arlie's awake.
Come
Yeah.
on.
So ito guys, kung gusto nyo lang i-try, available to sa curry shop ko.
Downstairs.
Huh?
I want to brush my hair downstairs.
Yeah, but I want you to take that off first because
Do I
I...
wear the black ones?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you bring me any more socks pants?
Yeah, I do have more. Ganun
Is it
lang.
in your luggage?
Yeah, no, it's in that black bag. Or paper bag. Ganun lang. Kasi hindi naman siya madumi. Hindi naman siya naman kadumi guys, ang ating skin. And ito ang gagamitin ko ngayong morning na serum. Ito yung Noni Light All Serum. Ayan. Hindi mo na ako nag-moisturizer. Yeah, ino mo. Okay, asikasin ko muna si Holy Girl. So, yan. Okay na.
It's the same.
Dito na pala kami nakapagluto ng si Sissy Race ng breakfast. Meron tayong longganisa, eggs, and fried
This
rice.
is very yummy.
Ayan si Holly. Ayan si Sak nakaligo na. Ako na ba?
Look, Alo loves it. Come on.
Come on, Papa, so you can wear your dress. Come on.
After you eat, we'll put on a nice dress. Come
Here,
on.
come on. Here's egg.
She's not gonna be good.
Come on. Come on, Baba, eat. So you can wear your dress. Nice dress. What do you want?
I'm sure that this one, because I want it to be this one.
Yeah, I would. I'm getting.
Mom, cut the rope. It's mine. string on it.
Yeah, so it will stick together. You just have to remove.
But that's just bad having string. That's bad luck.
It's not bad luck.
It is.
No, you just have to remove that one and that's it.
It's to keep the shape
Yeah.
and to keep the meat together.
I love this stuff.
Yeah.
You do? It's good. See?
What you gonna do to
Ayla?
Tita Ray's? Tita Ray's cookies, what you gonna say?
How you wanna mold it?
Kay Baba. Ay, bakit dalawa ang ano?
Mom, there's no stuff around.
Ready, please?
Feed you, Baba?
Mom, there's still stuff there.
What's that?
What stuff?
Ah, you want the white stuff. Sisa kasi di kumakain ng yolk.
Wait,
What
sabi
is
niya nga
this
sa
bed?
akin niya, tinanong ko siya kung anong klaseng
What is
rice
bed?
gusto niya. Ay, kung anong klaseng egg.
Mom, look.
Ano sabi?
Basta may narinig lang. Okay lang.
Wait.
May narinig akong egg yolk kasi hindi ko maintindihan.
Hindi siya kumakain ng egg.
Mom, this is yours. Why do I only get a bed?
It's alright.
Why do I only get the yours?
Here. Ayun yan. Alright.
Ayaw na din ng egg yolk.
Ayaw.
Ayaw nyo ng mga egg yolk. Yun lang yung gusto ng mga bata.
You don't like, gusto niya rin.
I just got the yours. I didn't have the white.
Gusto niya yung dalawa. Okay.
Yung whole. Meron pa naman.
Is that your eye you're looking?
Is that Ayla? Eh, pretty girl. Are you eating rice like Kuya Zach?
I did have egg.
Baby's eating rice. Oh, look. Baby's almost done. Baby's actually doing great. Do you wanna feed baby? Baby! Oh, no. That's okay. That's okay. Okay, I'll fix it. Silly Ayla. What happened, Ayla? Silly princess. What happened?
Don't. Gusto niya i-feed si
Gusto niya nga pakainin.
I-feed si.
I'll put baby closer to you. Okay, my God. Ay, naku, okay. I'll put baby closer. Here you go.
Okay, feed baby.
Feed baby slowly, very slowly. Not much. That one. That one's up.
Oh, that's fine. Sa kanya yun.
Kala ko pakainin niya si baby. Ito naman.
Kainin natin ang mga tira-tira ng bata. Kainin natin. Tapos na si Sak.
Oh my gosh, ano?
Hindi kumakain si Sak ng yolk eh. So, ang mother ang kakain. Siya ulit kumakain pa.
Please eat more rice. What
Ha?
else Alo will eat it?
Here, I got your plate. I'm using it.
Are you finished, ate?
Are you finished? Sarap. Sarap ng ganito. Sarap ng ganito. Tapos na yung dalawa, ayun na. Basketball sila. Pinagdali ka ng ng basketball. Kaya pala meron si Riker.
Napunta kami sa kanila. Ni Ella at ni Arlo. Well done, Arlo. Good boy. Good eating. Very good eating there. You want strawberry? Gusto natin yung strawberries. Do you guys want strawberries?
This one. Oh, my kids good.
Okay.
Yes, please.
Ang saya-saya niya. Hindi mo yan.
Nagpapalakpak pa siya.
Shoot! Ano? Let go of the ball!
Naghahang.
Yes!
Shoot the ball, Baba.
Yay!
Why?
Her face. With milk on her mouth.
Binigyan niya ng
Maybe
tubig.
just wipe.
Wipe.
With a wet wipe. Is there nothing there?
Is that Ayla necklace? The Ayla? Where's your necklace, Baba? Oh, so pretty. Who made that one? Tita Manay. Cute. You got necklace, Baba? Nagre-ready na pala ako, guys. Kasi alis kami. Punta kami sa isang mall dito. Sa Burnside daw, sabi ni Simply Race. Ganun tayo ng blush. Yung gamit kong blush is yung Sunny's Face na Moon ang kanyang shade. Moon. Kahapon yung isa. Pero Sunny's Face din yun. Then, gamit ko na si Moonshot. Ayan. Available din to sa aking Curry Shop. Maganda siya, guys. Si Moonshot. Tapos, yung sunscreen kong ginamit ay nasaan na? Yung stick. Ayan. Ayan. Tapos, diba? Yung kilay natin. Pantay ba? Sabi ni Sak, medyo mataas daw to. Sabi ni Zachary. So, ayan. Okay, naka-t-shirt lang tayo. Lalagyan ko siya ng blazer. Tapos, ito yung nabili ko to sa Queensland. Hindi ko pa nga na-upload this. Nag-shopping kami sa Queensland. Ito, nabili ko to sa Queensland. And ito, Korean. Ipatong ko lang siguro. Or wag na. Ano kayo? May blazer din ako isa pa. Hindi ko kung bagay. Or mag-blazer na lang ako, no? Parang hindi siya bagay dito. Hindi ito ang aking isusuot na blazer. Ito na lang yung light na coat. Nakalimutan ko na saan ko ito nabili. Ayan. Light lang to. So, malamig na sa labas. Ayan, kita niyo. So, yan. Wala siyang bulsa. Ganyan lang. So, okay na to. Light lang siya. Hindi heavy yung coat natin. Okay. Tapos yung ating bag. Pabango na rin tayo. Gamitin natin si si Santal number 33. Ito siya, guys. Alam niyo ito. Si Lela Buto, guys. Ayan. Yung saint niya, yung scent niya is si Santal 33. Bango siya. Siya pinakamabango para sa akin. And yung ating alams na easy bag. Ayan. Okay, ready. Tingnan yung kilay ko. Hindi ko pantay ba? Feeling ko hindi ko rin alam. Kasi bago pa lang eh. Hindi pa natin masasabi. Okay. Baba na tayo. Huwag natin ito. Nakabihis na kaming lahat. Hinihintay na lang namin si Dudong na magising. Kanina pa siya tulog. Yan yung dalawa. Ayan. Hinihila niya si Saki Boy. Ready na talaga lahat. Si Arlo na lang tulog. Kanina pa. O, diba? Sige, maglinis ka dyan sa linisin mong floor. Grabe si Dodong, 3 hours nagtulog. Kung kailan kami alis, saka naman talaga siya natulog. Wag, nakanganga, kawawa. Tingnan mo yung isa, gutom na. Alauna na, 1:35 na kasi. Kasi ang plano, sa labas na kakain. Magsusushi na naman sana siya. Buti hindi ko pa tinapon yan, oh. Oo. Yung tira yan, guys, na longganisa. Kaya, gutom na 1:35 na eh. 1:35. Oh, di pa kainin mo, tapos matutulog na naman siya. Pag hindi kami walang planong umalis, gusto namin siya patulogin. Ayaw niya matulog. Ngayong aalis kami, talagang natulog siya ng bongga. Finally guys, alis na tayo.
Into the car!
Nagda-drive tayo. Kahapon nag-drive din ako.
It's already 1:58, pretty much 12 o'clock.
Yeah. Okay, drive.
I was been sleeping since 12.
What? Who? Arlo?
Yeah, more.
Okay, put your seatbelt. Kinuha niya na. Dito na kami sa park sa parking.
Wait sa dodong.
Wait lang, Baba, ha?
Wait sa sorry.
Kinuha kasi ni Zach agad sa sa car seat.
Alright, he sits here.
Okay, thank you, Kuya Zach. Ayan na, ready na tayo. Magsasara tayo, guys. And Mecca. It's alright.
Hindi naman to si Ayla, parang may sinister.
Kaway lang, kaway. Ang ganda ng kulay doon, no? Ganda ng brown. Punta tayo dito sa Zara. Yeah.
Are you okay, Zach?
Zach, are you alright? Oh, what's yung baby? Sukat lang tayo, guys.
Cute yan.
Ayan.
Cute yan. Uy, kapag nagkaano ka.
Leggings. Pero malaki yung malaking size to.
Give it to all.
Kain muna kami kasi yung mga bata. Good job, ate. Thank you. Thank you. Labas muna. Balik kami dito. Kain muna. Gustong i-try ni Zach ang tempura veggie cucumber. Hi, can I have one tempura veggies, please? With cucumber. Spicy chicken, you sure? One spicy chicken, please. Everything? Salad inari, please.
Yeah, I send you back home early on.
Is that everything?
Not yet.
A tuna salad and a beef roll.
Wasabi.
Yes. $8 and 10 cents.
Okay.
That might be. Mom, how much I got?
Oh my God, why you got lots of... Ikaw na, be?
I'll be.
Enough. I want wasabi.
Wasabi's bad for you, yes?
No, it's not.
Mom.
Ang mga kinuha ni Zach ay mga... This is Holly. This is yours, Baba. Welcome. Huh? You like the smell? Okay. Careful! Seaweed inari yan na may may rice. Good? Si Dudong, oh.
Now I'm gonna try the spicy chicken.
The spicy chicken, okay. Try.
See, Mom, I want to go for the tempura.
That one is veggies. If you like that one, I can make you that one. What's that, baby?
Wait, Mom.
Okay, I hear, Baba.
Mom, I'm trying the spicy one first, okay?
And kumuha rin ako ng eto, veggies din to. And meron tayong tempura. Can you carry, Kuya Zach? Good boy. Thank you. Anong kinuha mo, sis?
Yung spicy crab leg ni Deary, masarap yun.
Eto, may kumuha ko nito.
Hindi ito.
Veggies.
Ito ba, hindi mo nakatikman?
Ah, hindi pa.
Masarap.
Masarap?
Mom, this is
Kuha ko, Ma'am. Spicy? Okay.
It is.
Spicy?
Yes. Okay, come here. Do you want some?
Favorite ni Zach ang sushi. Oh, gagawan ko siya nito. Sabi ko sa next term sa pasukan, ayaw na raw nila ng sandwich. So, ang gagawin ko ay gagawan ko siya ng mga ganyan.
Oh, come here. This way.
Sushi na siya. Tapos, sana meron sa Korea nito, oh. Korean store, yung yung packet lang. Kasi gusto ni Zach eh. What do you want, baby?
Mom, you want to try?
Huh? No, you can have it.
Oh.
Yeah, if you want.
Are you sure?
Yeah, ito yung veggies, tempura veggies inari.
Right.
Baba, can you get tissue there, Baba, please?
Try mo, gusto mo ito?
No, sige, okay. Thank you.
Muli-muli ito.
Wait Like this.
No. Like this.
Like this. Chicken on top and rice. Ah, you want that one? Roll one. Okay.
Or
Or water?
you can make it into a circle.
Si Oli mag-isa lang siya doon, Maubos niya na yung kanya. Teriyaki chicken sa kanya with avocado. Tapos na kayong kumain and nandito si Mers. Nakasunod siya. Dito tayo guys sa Mecca. Thank you. Okay, Boodle is live. Dito kami guys sa anis. Ano ba to?
Sunglass.
Sunglass? Ha? Sunglass pag kami naman guys. Meron ko na gusto. Ito, gusto ko to. Ayan o. Gusto ko to. Ganda. Parang saan. Nakita yung kilay ko dito.
Yeah, nice.
Ganda no?
Ganda ba? May shape ka na bang, may sunnies ka na ba na ganyan?
Wala. Picturean ko. Pinasot namin yung backpack kasi ando na yung isa sa ilalim.
Yes.
Dito tayo sa second floor. Kids ba to? Hindi to pang kids.
Parang ganyan yung kulay ng akin.
Well, this is nice. Ayan.
That's no boy.
Size 9. Ang cute. Atin niya raw yung coach. Remove the other one first, Baba. Boys? Okay, go. Okay. That one. That one, Baba. Kayo ni Ayla, pwede ka mag-shopping dito. Go to Tita Grace. Go there.
Is it warm?
Is it warm? Look at me. Look at me. Open arm. Ang bagay. Size 9 to. Malaki. Malaki sa kanya. Wala nang size. Itong pinakamaliit. Walang maliit. Size 9 to. Malaki sa kanya. Super sukat din to, oh. You have to look at me. Nice. What's that? Yeah, mahaba yung sleeves.
We buy this?
That's long, Baba. Long sleeves. Ha? Among Us. Kaya pala gusto ni Kuya para sa kanya. Anything here? You don't know? Patry ko kay Sak yung ano. What do you call that? Among Us? Among Us daw yan, guys. I don't know. Is it big? No, you can tie it up, Sak. Nice. You like it? Yeah? Nice. You don't want to waste money? You're gonna wear that one. Ayaw nyo daw mag-waste naman na hindi niya susuotin. You need tracking socks. No, you don't. Come on. Get that one. Sure? Are you gonna wear it? But are you gonna wear it? Oh, no. No, I don't like that shoes. Nah. You want? What are you gonna wear that for? Nah. You're weird.
Mom, I wouldn't even look. I wouldn't even wear it.
How about that one? I want this one. Get that one, son. Ay, maganda kaya. Kaya nga. I'm gonna try that one. Buti lang gusto niya yung kulay. You like it? No? Nice. You're 10 now, Sag.
Look how big these things are.
That's alright. Okay, fine, 9.
This is 9.
Ang hirap mong kausap, Sag. Oh, sorry, you're right. Come on.
My mom, I need to put this on.
Okay. Kaya nga, ayaw niya. You like it? You like that? It's small. What size is that?
No, but this is one, right?
Yeah, I know. So you have to find something right size. What size is that one? You need 9 or 10 sack. Try the 9. Okay, try the 10.
I already tried it.
Oh my God, hurry up. Okay.
Kayong dalawa ng opposite naman sila ngayon.
Ang hirap. Kanina pa siya dyan. Naubos niya ang bungkalin ng t-shirt dyan. You like? Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's go there. And this one?
Is that all, Mom?
I don't know.
Can I get a patch?
What for?
That one?
For what? This one, Naka? Huh? Hold this one. Yeah. Hoy, Sako, that one. You love that one before? Come on, try it on. Try it on. You loved that one before.
No, I'm still looking at it. Don't tell Mom.
Ah, hindi niya naman daw bibilang. Gusto niya lang daw isukat kung anong itsura sa kanyang ganyang sapatos.
Look at the style. Yeah, it looks so cool, right?
Yeah. You look nice.
Mom, don't tell her.
Yeah, it looks nice. Remember, I have the other one. I have the shoes, the Jordan. The green Jordan.
Mom, guess what?
What?
Design myself.
May Jordan akong green eh.
Get these.
Huh? Some kids.
I don't look cool.
It looks nice.
Too small. Do they look like they're too small?
One set na. Kaya nga, no, one set na. This is small, Baba. This is not your size. This is 18 to 24 months.
This one. Ano bang size?
18 to 20.
The jacket.
4 to 5. Maliliit. Pang ano to, pang baby. Huh? Wait, don't open that one.
I'll put the receipt in the bag.
Okay.
We'll forgot 30 days for an exchange or a refund.
Alright. Okay. Thank you.
How much was it?
What?
28?
69 or 70?
66, 10.
Huh?
66, 10 plus 66, 10.
Nabilan natin si Zach.
Mom, we need me on him.
Calls tayo, guys. Ayun si Ayla. Other way. Nandito si Arlo boy. Tapos si Sarah. Gusto ni Zach ng raspberries. Meron kong grapes. Meron din daw ng... Ako na, Baba. Ako na. Baba. You don't just drop it. Oh, Caldera. Get 10. Different flavor. Get... Hurry up, Zach. Ako na nga, Zach.
Pistachio din.
Pistachio. Ako na, Zach. So,
I
it's...
don't like this.
You're not the only one gonna eat, okay?
I want them, Mom.
Ano to nga? Vanilla yan. Caramel. Nasaan yung caramel? Wala na. Ito na lang. Dano yan na lang natin.
Please.
Chocolate. Dami na ng chocolate.
Wait, can you get
2,
that
4,
vanilla?
6, 7,
Yeah.
8. Oh, you want this?
Yeah, I want the...
You have to eat it straight.
You're right to eat it. This one?
No. The yellow, please, Mom. Get what color?
Oh. What color?
Ice cream. You want pink?
Pink. Oh.
Pink already. Okay. What color? Yellow. Yellow. What are you doing?
Ice cream is good. Thank you. Kanina pa pala kami sa bahay. And na-put away na ni Rish yung mga pinamili namin. And kakain tayo sa Mexican food. Doon tayo mag-dinner. Okay. Mag-ano lang ako. Toilet. Kasi alis na kami. Maya-maya. And eto, yung mga binili namin. Akyat ko na din. Dito na pala kami guys. Nagpark lang kami dito sa may Aldi. Tapos maglalakad kami kung saan kami kakain. So dito tayo kakain guys sa Chachi's Mexican Cantina. May paganito sila oh. Yan, may patulay. Tapos dito naman may lumang ano, vintage na bike. Oops. Ang cute mo dyan, Holly. Ay, si Zach. Nandito na? May pahat. Nandito na. Ah, nandito na pala. Nauna pa pala sa atin. Thank you. Hi. Dito na si, dito na pa ako sa table guys. Eto, meron si Holding apple juice, si Zach raspberry. Ako nag-order ako ng lemon, lime, and bitters pero wala pa.
Even longer.
Ang cute ni Zach.
Yeah. 20 years ago, you're no longer a kid.
Tapos si Tango, wala pang
20, 25, 28 years ago.
Yeah. Oh, you
Ito naman yung
baby.
isa. Oh. Ay, may baby na siya.
Put baby to sleep. Put baby to sleep.
Kay Elijah yan na baby.
Oh, put baby to sleep. How about the
Wala pa. Hindi pa. Wala pa yung ano namin, order namin guys. Nag-order pala akong quesadilla. And meron din kaming nachos. Baba, wanna try this? Guys, nandito rin yung aming order. Nagkamali sila. Ang nabigay nila ay vegetarian. Sabi niya, kunin na lang namin. Tapos bigyan kami ng side. Kasi ang in-order ko ay beef. Yung ano, yung toppings. Ryan, meron tayong extra vegetarian. Tapos ayan yung toppings na beef.
Me too. Don't smell it.
Don't smell it. Ayun yung amoy.
Regular with butter and
It is regular.
This is the restaurant. That's not my corn.
Chicken, mate.
Ayan na yung corn ni Zach. Tapos si Holly din corn. So ayan na yung pagkain namin lahat.
I got 2 flags in there.
Cheese! Ayaw ni Zach kasi yung amoy.
Not piano.
Grabe, may diferensya ang ilong ni Zach. Ang bango. Masarap ang amoy. Ewan ko sa kanya ang diferensya. You want regular?
On it, just butter and then just.
I'll make it for you when we get home. Yeah. Tapos na kami guys. And hindi na gusto ni Zach.
Meron sa lontan?
Ayan yung sa amin, hindi namin naubos. Si Holly hindi rin nagustuhan. Tapos na guys, magma-McDonald's na kami, magdi-dessert kami. Ice cream, soft ice cream. Hold her properly. Gusto niya talagang umano. No running, Papa. Careful. Natatakot ako baka madapa. No running, Papa. Stop. No running. Iba-buckle up niya si Ayla. Ang cute ni Zach.
So, buckle. Oh, here.
Good boss.
Lift your butt.
Lift. Here, Baba. Oh, naglilift mo talaga, girl. Good. Good girl.
I'm lifting.
You're lifting her. Okay. Ang bigat na. Okay? Good. Ang saya nila. Yeah? McFlurry, okay. Alright. Oh, there's no extra Oreo.
I don't Oreo.
Okay.
Did you say extra Oreo?
No, there's no extra Oreo.
Fine. Thanks, Mum.
You're welcome. Oh, can you bring this to Holly too? McFlurry, please? No, just bring that one. Yeah. Yes, please. Thank you. So we can put it back. Nandun si Ray sa taas kasama yung mga bata. Mag-slide sila dyan sa blue. Lalabas sila doon. Go, ate. Veronica, get up! Tingnan yung dalawa doon, no? Magpare. Uwi na kami. Ay, no, Baba. No, that's enough. Uwi na tayo. Magda-drive kami guys. Ang ganda ng city. Oh, nasa ano kayo, top of the world. O, na sky daw ang tawag dito. Ang ganda. Hindi lang maano ng camera pero ang ganda niya. So na pala kami sa bahay guys. Ayan basketball naman sila. So end ko na yung vlog guys. Yun na yung vlog natin. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Good night. Arlo! Arlo, look! Arlo! Baba, look! Ay, duck pala. May nanonood siya na. Baba, say good night. Ayan, good night.
Say good night, Tita. Nice vlog.
Say good night, guys. Say bye. Good night. Good night.
Because I think I do.